3 different generations, 3 different ways to power a campsite cook-off. But which way reigns superior?
Get out of my tent!
Boil faster, god dang it!
Oh my god, it's...
Presented by Your Energy Answers.
So, representing Gen Z, we've got Ethan going old school with wood fire.
Yes.
I'm Leonie, repping the millennials with gas. And we've got our beamer, Marcus, going high-tech with the Ecoflow Delta 3 Ultra Plus portable battery. The catch, we only have enough fuel for lunch, dinner, breakfast. And if we run out, we have to trade one of our creature comforts, our tent, our camping mats, or our sleeping bag for more power. So we'll be judging on speed, taste, and comfort. All right, so shall we get the challenge started?
Let's begin. Knives, cook,
Tent, kettle, sleeping bag.
This should be easy.
Oh my god. The instructions are in Chinese. Mine's in Chinese. I'm gonna be stuffed.
I feel like I'm on a Temu version of Survivor here.
Ain't nothing Temu about this. This is real. This is flint and steel. This is caveman stuff. What is that? I've got wood, and what is that?
Yeah, this is my Ecoflow. I've got to check. Ooh.
This is unbelievable.
Oh, what the heck? Marcus, what are you doing? Why do you have a vacuum cleaner?
You're gonna drain that battery before the end of the night. What are you doing?
You're not gonna power your induction stove. I've been given a gas stove with 1 can of gas. Is that gonna last me? All right, so who do we think won the setup? I was the fastest.
Yeah, I know, but I mean, I had 3 times as much.
What the heck's in that? Why do you need an electric shaver for? What do you have?
Look, you're last in my opinion. I'm first, Ethan second, you're last.
Rude, why am I last? Well, I think we should call the enforcer. Enforcer, who won?
As the enforcer, Leonie is the winner.
Thank you very much. 1 point on the board.
I've just had to think and they've given me 3 big fat logs and some fire starters. I need some little stuff. I need the twigs, I need the skinny branches. So what I think I'm gonna do, I'm gonna go all the way to the back over there. I'm gonna start foraging for sticks so that my fire can be perfect when the next challenge starts.
All right guys, it's time for the first food challenge. We're doing a good old sausage sizzle. We've got sausages, onions, cheese, and white bread. Well, it's about quality and speed, and if you run out of fuel and you need more fuel, you have to give up one of your comfort items.
Is it for cooking or
Bye. I only have 1 gas canister. It is pretty windy today, so I'm hoping it will last me. I might have to build a bit of a shield.
I'm gonna hide these. Then he's only got fat ones and they take longer to cook. Here, Ethan, you got a few sausages left.
Yeah, I'll come get them.
Okay.
I've been prepared. It'll take a little while to get hot. So while these sausages are heating, I'm gonna then cut my onion up.
I'm not gonna lie, I'm actually not a really good cook.
So I'm gonna add a little bit of sauce. That'll saute them nicely.
I mean, you can eat onions raw, right?
I mean, you can, but do you want to is the question. It's looking a little raw, to be honest. But we got a bit of time,
84%, we're doing fine. But I have to hide the sausage, otherwise I get found out. The logic is hide the skinny sausage so the big sausage take longer.
I think it's time to plate my dish. Has someone taken my sauce?
Oh.
Mother, hey!
I was an accidental steal.
Yeah, right.
I accidentally took
That is sabotage. There we go. All right, I'm done. I've won.
That's done in bloody Merrickville. This is a proper Western Sydney bloody banger.
But I was first, so.
King cooking right here. I think I won, to be honest.
All right, well, why don't give you the pleasure?
Yeah.
Cut that one, that looks the fattest. Oh my God, it's red. It's juice. No.
I wouldn't eat that personally.
Personally, I don't think I would as well.
These ones, the sausages are way too raw. Onions aren't cooked nice and the cheese is not melted enough. So I'll have to go with Marcus's sausages. I think they will for this challenge.
Thank you. Guys, this is how we're gonna roll from now on. If you want to bet, this way is the money. And you guys, no sabotage, okay? I played very honest.
Let's check on my gas. Okay, I feel like that's still quite full, like 80% left. So I have to be really strategic for dinner.
I know. We're down to 77%. Leonie, the rule is Ecoflow is allowed to be charged.
Yeah, with your solar panels that you...
charge, no details. So I'm gonna get my car to charge my Ecoflow.
That's not part of the rules.
No.
You can't do that.
No.
Well, then you have to give up one of your
No,
comforts.
give nothing up, stuff.
I'm taking your comforts.
What do you, get out of my tent!
They're mine now. What are you up to, Marcus? What the heck?
Thank you.
No. What?
Ecoflow into my car. So we're sitting at 77%.
The next challenge is dinner. Let's have a look. We have soup, we have the steak, and then we have vegetables and potatoes. Up to you how you want to cook them, but it will have a high energy output.
I'm happy with the coconut and lentil.
All right, you have that.
I'll have the vegetable laksa, please.
All right, then I'll have the pho.
I don't know what my game plan is just yet. What is better, to boil the soup or cook the steak? I think soup first, because that will take longer to boil. Oh shit, my gas stove has been on all this time. I hope I have enough power.
You left it on?
Yep.
You're the goose. Oh my God.
I'm just gonna keep the seasoning simple. Just hit it with some salt. Keep it simple for now. The fire takes a little longer to cook. And just like that.
And I'm going to cut them into really small pieces so that it boils faster.
Did you peel your potatoes or not?
No, it's extra protein. We like a little bit of dirt on our potatoes, right?
Right. Oh, I'm just discovering my maximum power. I mean, the Vietnamese pho that you do at home is not like that, so...
Oh my God. Please don't light this place on fire.
No, I'm just adding fuel to the flame.
Your smoke is coming into my area. Oh my God.
Energy density point of view, fire is pretty good.
Come on.
And
Boil faster, god dang it.
I mean, I'm on 2,000 watts now here. I'm really smacking this.
I hope you don't mind. You have so much power to give.
As long as you stop whinging about stuff and stop cheating and dob me in, all right?
Hopefully that depletes some energy. Oh no, what's happening? There is a little bit left. Why?
Got a problem, baby.
Not low.
What's happening to you? Oh my God, look at it. Anyway, good luck.
Thanks. I wonder if I get a new canister, if it'll make it faster.
Do you really want to give up your...
Yes, I do. Please, thank you. Oh my God.
It's gonna be a rough night tonight, Leonie.
No. Hey, as long as I can get this bloody meal done.
Yeah, it's definitely on the well done side. You know something? The steak is the best part. Then the asparagus. And look, the potatoes are a little raw, but it's hard to cook a potato on a fire.
Oh my God, I think it's a bit well done. Look at that, delicious. All right, I'm done.
That's a lot.
But I'm gonna do a bit of green on the side here. You have to say, that looks like a proper meal, doesn't it?
What happened to your soup?
I've seen baby poo that looks more attractive.
The noodle is a bit raw.
The steak's way
The
too
steak?
well done, yes. I think that's a little bit better, but I think Marcus's takes
God
take for the steak. Yeah, in terms of the asparagus, that's not edible.
What? It's not inedible, bro.
You should not eat that.
Take a bite. Take a bite.
That'll give you cancer.
No, that's not good, that's charcoal.
That is no good. And I think overall, Marcus's overall meal is definitely the best and definitely the winner for this challenge.
Riot. I'm rioting.
I don't want to hear the whinging. I just want you guys to be generous and do a bit of clapping.
With sportsmanship, shake hands.
Yeah. Now, theoretically, with 2 wins, we only got 1 challenge left. I can't lose, really, guys. I mean, yippee-yay, okay? You're allowed to shake a hand of a winner. Thank you so much.
You have an awful lot of things plugged in there.
So much charging off the Ecoflow. How much battery do you have?
Yeah, I've still got 40.
41%.
Don't forget you also have to cook breakfast tomorrow.
I'm using my
No,
EV.
you're not. That is cheating.
At 2 o'clock, 3 o'clock, what are you guys going to do about it? Bad luck, you didn't write the fine print.
Just can't trust the boomers.
I will have to find more firewood tomorrow. That's the issue. But keeps us warm, and now it's dead. Now it's dead. Well,
End of day 1, 2 wins. Bit of problem with the marshmallows, but who cares? Plenty of power. This is how you do camping. 2026 with style.
I've got the fire, which is keeping me warm. This will go for a while. I'll get my toasty marshmallows, get them a little toasted. I'm ready to take on tomorrow's challenge because I think I've perfected the fire cooking now.
It's nighttime now. I have my really sad gas lantern here. It's very pretty, but it's not really emitting much heat, so I think I'm going to be pretty cold tonight. Meanwhile, bloody Marcus is like blinding me with his setup.
I'm going to turn this one off, okay? So there's my little heater. So that's going to run a little bit tonight, and that's going to give me nice warmth while these people are freezing their butts off.
Hey, can you turn those lights off? Some of us are going to try sleep soon.
It is pretty damn bright out there.
All right, good night, everyone.
See you guys tomorrow.
See you in the morning for the challenge.
Hopefully you're not all too cold. See you in the morning.
Nighty night.
Good night. Okay, point it that way. I'm gonna charge my phone. Why not? Okay, we are good. Hopefully that depletes his battery. It's time for a good night's sleep. Into my tent. All right, good night for real.
What's going on? I'm down to 17%. I'm not gonna have enough juice to get out of here. Oh, Jesus Christ, I'm at 7%. That might be not enough for the cooking. I've got to turn everything off, come on.
Oh, good morning. It is so cold and wet in here. I am miserable this morning. Let's go have a look. Oh my god. Oh my god, it's so wet and cold. Oh my god, his power's out. I guess it didn't last all night after all. Anyway, I need to prepare for the breakfast challenge. Let's go.
Oh my goodness gracious. It is freezing this morning. I gotta get this fire started real quick because we gotta start cooking soon. The issue is everything is very wet right now, so.
Did you sleep with your tent wide open? Wakey, wakey. Why are your knees are all wet?
No, it's fine, it's fine. It's just everything is so wet. Jesus, maybe I shouldn't have left the Ecoflow out in this weather.
7%? Good luck with that.
Leonie, when does the sun rise here? What time?
Bright sun, that's probably gonna be midday. Are you gonna have breakfast at midday? I've got this in the bag. Gas, reliable. Once you have it. All right, it's time for the breakfast challenge. We've got eggs, you can scramble it, you can fry it, whatever you think works best for you. Bacon
How
and
many
coffee.
eggs?
4. 4 eggs, and then I don't know how many slices of bacon there are actually.
2 each is
2
good.
each, okay. And then we have to have a warm cup of coffee. Shall we get the challenge started?
Yeah, let's go.
Let's go.
Okay, She's not gonna know if I do 3 eggs or 4 eggs. So 1 egg is gonna be bloody going down the tube. I'm only gonna do 3, pretend it was 4. That way I use less energy.
Load it. I don't know, I think I've become an expert gas cooker over here. Done it enough times. Look at that!
Let's try, baby.
Easy!
Oh my God, I'm down to 4. Fuck. All right, I'm prepared to lose, but I gotta finish. If I don't present anything, I'm kind of like disqualified. So I'm only putting 3 eggs on top. I mean, it's not the nicest looking, but who cares? I just need to finish. It just stopped. This is it. I'm finished. I've exhausted my Ecoflow.
The wind is blowing this way. I kind of have to shield it from this side. So maybe this will help. There's just no crisp happening. We're done. It took longer than I thought. I thought it was going to be a breeze in the park, but we're done.
I'm just gonna go with two eggs, maybe 3, just because I didn't have enough time. I was thinking my idea is if I just scramble it, they won't really know how many are in here. And my fire just died actually. Look, I think what I'm gonna have to do is I'm just gonna have to serve it up as is, cold coffee. But you know, I think I can still win.
I think there's any argument that that is not the winner for this challenge.
No.
Marcus, your bacon looks still a bit raw. I'd say the winner for this challenge is Leonie.
Score! Gas wins.
But Enforcer, come back. We got to kind of work this out now for the overall challenge. Somebody was playing very unfair here. Was that you?
No.
You?
What do you mean?
You didn't say no, so that's a kind of like half an admission. I'm the overall winner. If nobody says it, I'm declaring myself, okay? It's like the king putting the crown on his own head if there's nobody around to do it.
But can you eat your own breakfast?
Oh, I'm not that hungry today.
Well, what do you guys think? Let us know in the comments, what is your preferred way of cooking? Would you prefer wood fire, gas, or a high-tech battery? Let us know in the comments.
And I think the Ecoflows has a special, and they're not even paying me to say that.
What's the special?
I think there's an Amazon Day or anything like that, and you can put a barcode on it and you get whatever extra. Check it out. It's somewhere on the internet.
All right, so if you want to go glamping like Marcus does, link in the description below.
And because I won, you guys got to clean up all my shit. That's my rule.
Well, thank you guys for watching. We might go back to the studio, have a bit of a debrief. We'll see you there. We're back in the studio. Wood fire, gas, and battery. 3 totally different ways to power a campsite cook-off. Ethan's wood fire was a disaster, swinging from burnt to a crisp to completely raw. My gas stove was rock solid until I ran out of fuel and had to trade my sleeping bag for a fresh canister. It's reliable, sure, but once you're out, you're out. Then there's Marcus. His high-tech Ecoflow battery looked like a guaranteed win until he blew his power budget and had 0 juice left for breakfast. Honestly, if I had that Ecoflow, I would have absolutely crushed this challenge. The good news is that you and I can both grab one for our next camping trip. Check the link in the description for a sweet deal on the Ecoflow Delta 3 Ultra Plus battery. So, what's the ultimate way to power a campsite? Let us know in the comments and tell us what we should test next. And don't forget to hit that like and subscribe button. This is the Curious Energy Show, and we'll see you in the next one. Want more energy answered? Visit yourenergyanswers.com for quality energy products, tools and calculators, and find your quality local installers. You're still here? I'll see you next time. Bye.